Numerous legends have grown up around the origins of the mountains, and natural phenomena such as why the west-facing Dolomites glow crimson in the sunset. In the Dolomite sagas, various mythical figures populate the mountains, including moon princesses and dwarf kings. Once upon a time, millions of years ago, the Dolomites were nothing more than coral reefs. The Alps arose as a result of the collision of the African and European tectonic plates, forcing the rocks at the point of impact to soar skyward. The western part of the Tethys Ocean, which formerly divided these two continents, disappeared. The Dolomites became mountains. The ancient spirit of the Dolomites still remains there. If your heart is open to see further the horizon, then you may feel them rushing through your soul and drive you along to different worlds. In the mythic tradition, the mountain is the bond between earth and sky. Its solitary summit reaches the sphere of eternity, and its base spreads out in manifold foothills into the world of mortals. It is the way by which man can raise himself to the divine, and by which the divine can reveal itself to man.